Hi there, Derek from Live to Play Sports here. Today we're going to show you how to wrap road bike handlebars using Lizard Skins DSP tape. The DSP tape is some pretty fantastic stuff. It's light, it's grippy, it's easy to wash, comes in a variety of colors, and even comes in a couple different thicknesses so you can switch up the feeling of your bars if you prefer. DSP tape has an adhesive backing, so you don't need to stretch it to install it on the bar. Begin wrapping at the end of the bar and wrap outwards, starting the tape on the underside of the bar. You want to wrap outwards from the bar so you don't risk unraveling your tape when you twist the bars in a sprint. Wrap up the bar, make sure to keep the overlap even the entire way. When you get to the back of the hood, you have a couple of options on how to wrap the bars depending on how thick you want the tape there. I'm going for a standard wrap, ensuring a complete coverage when I use my extra tape strip and keeping it reasonably thin. With the extra tape strip in place, wrap around the bar, up and over. Make sure your tape is rotating backwards towards the cockpit of the bike when you're done. Again, this will prevent damage to the tape when you're twisting on the bars trying to get every watt of power that you can. Continue the wrap as far up the bar as you like. To finish the ends of the tape, cut them at an angle so the tape finishes at a right angle to the bar. Use a strip of electrical tape to hold the tape in place, and finish it with a strip of logoed finishing tape. And that's how you do it. Now I just got to repeat that process on the other side, and I'm ready to hit the road. Thanks for watching. This has been Live to Play Sports, connecting people with cycling.